Summer moods. I love at eventide to walk alone down narrow lanes o'erhung with dewy thorn, where from the long grass underneath the snail, jet black, creeps out and sprouts his timid horn. I love to muse o'er meadows newly mown, where withering grass perfumes the sultry air, where bees search round with sad and weary drone in vain for flowers that bloomed but newly there, while in the juicy corn the hidden quail cries, "Wet my foot!" and hid as thoughts unborn, the fairy-like and seldom seen landrail utters craik, craik, like voices underground. Right glad to meet the evening's dewy veil and see the light fade into glooms around.